All right, for part D, we're going to be on the same exact document. So up here we had the spreadsheet, and you're going to add another page by pressing Control, and then right up here, add page. And then for here, we want to add a graph. Add graph, that's number 2. And we're going to type in the equation we found for part C, which is 110x minus x squared. You could type in the other version of it and still get the same thing. And then we're going to press enter. Now, right there it doesn't give us much information because our window is zoomed way out. And we know that our x values are going to go from 10, really from 0 all the way, we wouldn't want it to go, for looking at the other problem, it went all the way to about 120 or so. So let's change the zoom on this, and we also know that the y value, or the product, is going to max out somewhere a little above 3,000. So with that information, I'm going to change the zoom by going, sorry, let me go back. I pressed menu, and then we are going to scroll down to number 4 where it says Windows Zoom. And then we're just going to go right there where it says Windows Settings and press enter. And then the x minimum, we know that the first number doesn't go below 0. So we're going to say that the x min is 0. The x max, we know that the first number won't go above 110. Just so we get a bigger picture, I'm going to put 120 there. And then we'll leave that as auto. The y min, we know that the product doesn't ever go below 0. But the y maximum, we know that it's somewhere a little bit above 3,000. So I'm going to put 3,500 there. And then we'll press enter. And there we have that graph. Now for part D, we need to analyze, it says to analyze the solution. So where is the maximum? So we need to figure out what that point is. It looks like, it's right in the middle right there, but what number is that? Instead of trying to read that graph, easier way to do it is by going to menu again, and we're going to go down to number 6 where it says analyze. And here we're going to find out the maximum. We want to know the maximum, so that's number 3. Okay. Now, over here it's asking us some questions about the lower bound. You just need to find something that's below the maximum, and for the upper bound, you need to find a spot that is somewhere on the other side of the maximum. Okay? And then it gives it to us right there. 55 is the x value. The y value is 3.03 times 10 to the third. So there we have the maximum value there. So for D, the maximum value is at 55. So okay. And that'll do it.